Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your headphones JBL TUNE 770 on your Android device. You have to start by open Play Store and now go to the search at the middle top. Then click at the search line at the top and you need to write JBL Headphones. Now search and you should install the application what's called JBL Headphones. Now open it. Accept. Hello. Hello. You can click at the plus and we did it. In the next video I will show you how to add these headphones to the application. So if you don't know how, you can check video at this channel. And thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!